sticky. The ground is bubbling up beneath our feet. The air is getting blurry. The mirage of shallow water floods the street. But I'm pig-headed and determined. Somehow I've got this feeling in my brain that if we all together just concentrate hard enough, eventually we're gonna make it rain. I look up at the sky and I'm searching for the tiniest of clouds. I spot a wispy spot among the glare, and I look down at you and you're nodding at me now, and we both start to pray the water from the sky. We're begging condensation to rain down from up on high, and we've got nothing left to lose and nothing left to gain, and the people are all staring 'cause they know we're gonna make it rain. I feel a little trickle. At first it's just another drop of sweat, but then it's coming harder before we can say a word. We both are soaking wet and our clothes are drenched and our